Welcome to my wig workshop. Today's video, I wanted to switch it up again, kind of make this series of videos where I am helping you guys fix little problems that you may have with your lace wigs. So today we are fixing a cap that always get ripples. I love the 3D frontal wigs because they give you more space on the sides, but they can ripple a little bit because of the way the cap construction is. I'm gonna show you guys today how to easily fix that so that you can lay down your lace on that hairline without ripples. I have my sidekick with me today. Alright, so if you are new here, be sure to click that subscribe button so that you won't miss any of the upcoming series that I have. Also, be sure to thumbs up the video, you guys. Let me know in the comment section if you enjoy this style of video also, and let's get right into it. So the wig we're going to be working with today comes from Ronnie hair, and it's almost the same exact wig as I'm wearing right now, except for the cap on the one I'm wearing now is not a 3D cap, so there's no parting space here. This one gives you a lot more parting. Take a look at what's inside. And like I said, it's the same exact color as the one I'm wearing right now. This is what the wig look like. If I can get a focus in on that. I'll put it in front of my face. Okay, there you go. It's a beautiful texture, straight texture with nice highlights. So this is what the cap look like. You get full parting all the way on that front. It's like a 6-inch deep parting. You can wear this wig glueless if you don't want to wear glue. So it has the adjustable strap in the back, one built in and one that is attachable. And of course combs. All right, let me show you what this wig look like. I'm gonna pop this on my sidekick right quick so that you guys can get a feel of what the wig looks like. I'm gonna install it later on, but I wanna fix this cap before I install. So like I said, it's the same exact wig that I'm wearing right now. It has a better parting cap. She is gorgeous. Let me move her over so you guys can see. All right. So this is a straight texture. This is a brown color and it has beautiful highlights going through it. A 3D cap, 13 by 6, and it is about 20 inches. There you go. Lace is gorgeous, of course. It has this thinner lace and the hairline is pre-plucked. Not super pre-plucked, just pre-plucked. You guys will see more of that once I install it on my head. So I'm going to just push back this hairline as soon as my hot comb heat up because I want to show you guys exactly what your cap will look like and how you would know if it's going to ripple on you before you install it. I don't think it's hot enough. Hold on. Okay, so if you put your cap on and you get this effect here in the center, I know it's kind of hard to see because this lace is very thin, but if you get this area where it sticks out and protrudes like this, your cap is going to wrinkle when you go to install it. So we want to fix that. I'm going to go ahead and remove the straps that's on the inside so that I can set this cap on this head without any interference. And I'm going to open it up. Leave it a little bit loose. You don't want to make it too tight. So you see this area right here at the back? This is the area you need to fix in order for the cap to fit correctly. Let me get me some T-pins. I like to do this on a canvas head more so, but since this is like a video, I'm going to use her because she just looks better on camera. So you can use a canvas head if you would like. Just going to pin. So this area here in the back is where you want to take a needle and thread. You can use any type of thread you may own. Let me figure out where my thread is. I always got to figure out exactly where I put everything. Here we go, found it right in this stuff. Okay, so we're gonna use the black thread, and it don't matter because it's not gonna be seen. It's gonna be so close to the wefting part of the cap, it's not even gonna be noticeable. So I'm gonna just take some thread. What do I do with my needle? I'll be setting stuff down, y'all. So I can tell you one thing, I got a lot of needles. All right, so we're gonna take the thread and thread it. You don't need a lot of it, just a little bit, just fold it backwards. And see this rim? We are gonna sew on this rim, go into that rim, and kind of fold the lace over. It kind of creates like a small fold there. You don't want to do too much. I guess it depends on how big your head is, how small your head is. That would determine how much you need to fold. So we're going to go ahead and just push that through. And if you don't get it right the first time, the great thing about it, you can just take it off, do it again. Why is my thread tangling? Don't do that. I got caught in the comb. But yeah, just pull that through. And no, it won't puncture your lace. As long as you're not pulling and anything on the lace, it won't puncture it. Just be careful when you're doing this. And see how we have it folded right there? You guys can see that. It's folded pretty good. And then you're gonna go to the other side of the cap and do the same thing. Fold that lace and sew it You can also do it in the center right here where this comb is too if you want to. Also going to go back and put thread on the sides because I feel like the center part is great for making the cap a bit smaller. I need a fan in here, it's so hot. I don't know if any of you realize this, but the most realistic looking wigs that people wear always is the ones that has been altered and look the worst on the inside of the cap. I don't know if you guys have paid attention to that. All right, well, anyways, let's go ahead and sew this side. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this area here where the lace is a lot, and I'm going to do a big fold over. I'm gonna take it, just take it here, right, and bring it over to the wefting, just like so. And that's going to put some pull, and of course we don't want to ripple the lace, so you may want to keep it stretched a little bit, not pull it too tight, just enough where it can tighten up this area. So I'm just going to put like one stitch there and then tie it. All right, so it should look like that. Mirror together, hair all over the place. Pull this hairline back right quick. Boom, so we can see what's going on. Already I can tell a difference. Still always wear my straps attached in the back, so this is going to give me the most accurate. As you can see now, the cap fits. There's not a big bulge in the center right there, and it's not going to ripple. So next we're going to go ahead and install this wig, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how it looks installed and see if we get any rippling. Did go ahead and bleach the knots, wash the wig because I felt like I wanted it to really look natural. I did do a silk press to it to straighten the hair back out. Okay, so the hair looks amazing, like, girl, look at that. So I was like trying to decide if I wanted to do that bust down middle part or if I wanted to just push the hairline back and make it look natural. I think because I need to glue down this hairline, I have to push it back, of course. We probably did do a mixture of both. The ear tab area to make sure that it fits from ear to ear. So that's what it's looking like so far, which I think it looks pretty good. Remove this extra lace with a razor. All right, and then I'm gonna take some of this melting spray and we are going to melt the hairline down. Alright, so as you can see, there is no ripples in this lace at all. So the technique definitely works. Looks really good also. I am happy with the end results. You guys can drop me some comments. Let me know what you think about today's wig. And if this workshop was helpful, definitely thumbs up the video, subscribe, and share it with a friend, of course. Wig will be linked below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you back in my next video.